Hey everybody, my name is Elisa Covington and I'm going to show you this uninhabitable house flip that we're working on right now. I'm very excited to see the old updates because I haven't been here before this myself either, so let's take a tour together. The front yard hasn't changed much yet. There's still a lot of weeds and uneven ground, so we need to work on that. The building structure, you can see that we removed the window shutters and we're still going to replace the windows, the front door, and the garage door. Let's check out the progress inside. So the living room has a lot of materials, especially a lot of drywall because we have wood paneling all over on this living room and we are trying to use new drywall to cover them up so that we get a smoother finish and also a brighter interior. We removed all the window trim and we plan to replace the windows soon. We also lowered the ceiling so that we could put insulation and new recessed lights in. And then on the flooring, of course, we have to replace the old linoleum floor and put in new vinyl flooring. On the other side, we have the kitchen that was boxed in before, but we were able to open up the wall that was right here so that it has a little more of an open flow. We closed off this door going to the deck so that it allows us to have more space in here and also really utilize this entire area. We're going to be able to put in a lot of cabinets and counter space, which is really nice. So in the kitchen, we're pretty much done with electrical already and we're working on plumbing. And the hallway bathroom, it's a little dark in here. I don't know if you can see very well, but there was a closet in here before that was not well utilized. So we actually demoed it so that we can have more space in here and put in a larger vanity. So the tub is the same where it was before, also the toilet, but the vanity can be a little bigger, maybe more of a 48 size instead of a 24-inch vanity. It was used as a dining room, but now we're trying to make this a legal bedroom because the home otherwise only have 2 bedrooms upstairs. So in here, we have very good space and we're also lowering the ceiling to put in lights and we are replacing this old window and we're also going to put in new drywall to cover up the old wood paneling, and these windows are really old, so they definitely have to be replaced as well. And the flooring have to be also replaced, and this closet is of really good size, which is awesome. If you're interested in transforming a fixer-upper like this one into a dream home, check out my coaching program, Transform Flipper Academy. I teach my students the ins and outs about house flipping, and a few of my students have already completed their first couple projects and made a 6-figure income. Check out our website, transformflipperacademy.com. So now we are upstairs, and there are 2 bedrooms here. The first bedroom has a lot of wood paneling all around the walls. We're going to use the sheetrock here to cover the wood paneling up so that the bedroom will be a lot brighter than it is now. And you can see that we also lowered the ceiling so that we could put more insulation and also run electrical for new lights. On this side, we have new framing for a new closet door and then also a new interior door to the Jack and Jill style bathroom. And on the flooring, we removed the old floors and we'll put in new, probably vinyl floors. So for this Jack and Jill bathroom, I couldn't even recognize it myself because it's a lot bigger than before. It was just this much space before with the vanity, actually toilet on the side and then vanity and then the shower in the end. And we actually pushed it out this way so that we could fit in a bigger shower and the toilet still over there, and then the vanity will be on this side instead. So by doing that, we make this Jack and Jill bathroom a lot more roomy, and this connecting bedroom is a little bit smaller than before, but it's still of good size. And here you also see lowered ceiling, new ceiling light, and we're running electrical down there with a lot of new outlets. And this closet is also a little deeper than before. Of course, we have to put in new flooring as well. Now we're in front of the slider that wouldn't open before because of all the junk in the deck. And now we can actually access the deck that's pretty much cleaned up, just with some minor debris here. Now you have a really good view of the rest of the backyard. There's not much yet, but we plan to put in some sod and level the ground as well. And on this side, it's a little scary currently because we actually removed a walled-off corridor kind of structure before that was used as storage. It had some questionable structure that was collapsing, so we just took it all out, and we're probably going to put some railings along the stairs and also some railings along the deck as well. And it's going to be a lot more enjoyable for this backyard space. So now you can see the backyard more clearly, and this fence between the neighbor and us is really not holding up that great, and we definitely have to replace it. We also have removed a lot of the weeds in the backyard and side yard because code enforcement actually called me to take care of it. And there's a lot of wood pieces at the end that's actually from the corridor that we removed. So it definitely needs to be hauled away. We've only started this project a couple weeks ago, so we're making pretty good progress, and I'm very happy with what I've seen today. If you have any ideas and suggestions, drop me a comment below. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.